Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I warned you about a potential flash crash in the short-term time frame, and it seems like that prediction played out. Bitcoin dropped sharply by 3.56%, tumbling from a high of $98,300 all the way down to $94,800. From there, the news broke that Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy made another massive Bitcoin purchase, 15,400 BTC worth $1.5 billion at an average price of $95,900. Following this, I entered a long position around $95,800 to $96,000. Initially, the trade saw immediate profits with a strong V-shaped recovery. However, the situation quickly turned as headlines emerged about the US government moving Bitcoin. Here's what happened. The US government transferred nearly 20,000 BTC, valued at almost $2 billion, into two wallets. 10,000 of these Bitcoins were subsequently sent to Coinbase Prime. Now, this has raised many questions. Are they selling, or is this simply a custodial move? Whatever the intent, the market reacted sharply, dipping back into my entry zone around $95,300. Let's break this down with some technicals. On the 1-hour chart, my long entry aligns with a key liquidity pocket around $96,000, which was highlighted in yesterday's analysis. As expected, the heat map showed a liquidity snag at this level, but now it seems the market is eyeing the next significant long liquidity pocket at $94,700. On the flip side, the short liquidity at $97,750 remains prominent. The heat map indicates heavy activity there, making the next few hours potentially volatile. On the 1-week heat map, things look even more interesting. There's a substantial liquidity cluster of around $630 million at $94,650, which I suspect market makers will target next. As for the road to $100,000, the heat map reveals a thinning volume of short liquidity, with only $295 million left around that level. This suggests that the path to six figures is opening up. But before we get there, the market might need to absorb the liquidity below first. So what's the big picture? Will we see Bitcoin bounce back above $97,000? Or are we heading lower to grab more liquidity before continuing the climb to $100,000? The answers lie in how the market reacts to this volatility and what Monday brings as institutional players return to action. Stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated daily. Don't forget to join our Discord community for more real-time insights. If you enjoyed this analysis, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.